Welcome to in front of me Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on our device. Now just click here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, tap here to OK, on the left down corner OK, and here you can see the information with our device battery temperature. That's 32 and 4 degrees in my case, and here we got also other information like the device model, Android version, and more other info like the level of our battery, health, capacity, and more info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.